Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your Volkswagen Virtus infotainment system? These issues often stem from software glitches or hardware hiccups within the modular infotainment matrix, MIB. If your screen is frozen, it's likely due to app overload, memory leaks, or even overheating, especially in warmer climates. No sound problems can arise from audio codec failures, loose speaker connections, or Bluetooth pairing issues. Understanding these common causes is the first step to fixing them. Remember, multitasking with navigation and music can strain the system, increasing the risk of freezing. Also, third-party Android Auto versions can sometimes cause incompatibility issues, so stick to verified sources. Before heading to the dealer, try a simple reset. A soft reset involves holding the power button for 10 seconds to clear temporary RAM issues. If that doesn't work, a hard reset can be done by disconnecting the car battery for 30 minutes. However, if the problem persists after these resets, it could indicate a deeper hardware issue, like faulty capacitors in the MIB unit. In such cases, professional diagnostics with VW's ODIA software are necessary. Also, be aware that the MIB system is not user upgradable, so avoid DIY modifications to prevent voiding your warranty and causing more issues. While over-the-air updates are rolling out, some users still face problems, highlighting the need for expert intervention when hardware is the root cause.